Hi there, it's Haley with Modern Exterior, and today we are in Cottage Grove, Wisconsin, doing a roof inspection. They called us out here today because they have a damage. They had a lot of shingles blown up, and upon a more detailed inspection, we also noticed that the roof is just very old. But in addition to that, you kind of have exposed nails, which isn't great because water is going to, as you see, already rusted out, and it's going to be going into their attic space as well. But also inspecting it closer, not only are there the blown up tabs, you can kind of take a look around and there are actually tabs missing in a lot of the shingles here. So we're going to work in conjunction with them and their insurance to get their insurance to pay for this, because this is a lot of major wind damage in addition to, probably some hail damage as well in one of the recent storms we had here. Again, this is Haley with Modern Exterior. We're going to work with this customer in Cottage Grove, Wisconsin, along with their insurance to get them to pay for a new roof.